所謂，一前一後呢度。
嚇，坐呢度啊？
係咯。
Okay, my name is William. I will be with you for the next 15 minutes. Why? You know what you are doing now? Do you know what you are doing? What is that? Duck tour. Why is it called a duck tour? I don't know. Why is it called a duck tour?
It's an amphibious vehicle.
Okay, it's an amphibious vehicle. Can go on land, can go to the sea. Okay, this vehicle used during Vietnam War. Have you heard about Vietnam War? Hello, Vietnam War? Many years ago, Okay, are you ready? Hello? Happy New Year. Happy birthday. Everybody okay? Okay, your ticket $40, correct? $20 finish. Less $20. Singapore Grand Prix. Singapore Formula One is night race, very special. Now this building, building 2020 and 2021, we have no inside, you have flower dome and outside cloud corner dome. Behind the open garden, there are 8 big super trees. 1 day. The tree trunk is artificial, the flower, the plant will turn around, just like that. You do not stand up to glass, I only take photos, not video, please. If you want, pass me your camera. Can you see the word OUE? Bank or American? All the buildings are blue and they have a lot of high-end restaurants, a lot of expensive brand items, shopping. You have money for that. But every night they have two shows. LV and Apple and the waterfront. First show is 8 to 10:50. Second show is 9 to 9:50. Free show. I would suggest you go to Marina Bay Sands to have the first show. 7:40 the gate. After the show, slowly walk here. You reach here 8:30 or 8:45. Sit down and rest. You watch the second show. So one night you can have two shows. Free or charge. If you want to pay, you can pay to me. Okay, everybody does that. So you just follow everybody will follow. You plant a lot of flowers, trees, shrubs. The reason why we want to plant a lot of flowers, trees, simply because Singapore weather is very warm, very hot. We plant trees, flowers, a lot of people, local people all fly to Singapore to watch her. 5 months ago, Lady Gaga, you know who is Lady Gaga? Also came here for 4 nights concert also here. Okay, now we are going up, hold tight, no problem. Yeah,